Following on, we've got USD Swiss on the daily time frame. We can see we've had our break of structure in towards the downside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. We've seen a liquidation of this high, which did cause that initial break in the order flow. However, it recovered pretty fast and broke, creating areas of demand which are currently still in control. Therefore, in my opinion, we have failed to put in a new lower low, and now, as we were saying towards the end of last week and the beginning of this week, I do anticipate these highs to be the next target. It's a nice free touch trend line, and I do anticipate the highest high getting taken at about 0.811 or 12. I expect that to get taken. If we move down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we've had our initial break of structure in towards the upside here, followed by another break of structure over here. So this is currently my swing low, and this is currently my swing high. This is quite squeezing price action. It's not too clean. There's a lot of liquidity resting here. There's also a point here that's got some liquidity in, and I would anticipate and hope to see one of these get taken before seeing that structure shift where you can start looking for longs. But I would just say I don't think USD Swiss is the pair to be trading at the moment. I think there are better options out there. So moving on to USD Swiss, we can see we have had that 4-hour break of structure now. We are trading at 161.574 at the time of recording, and I do anticipate very limited upside on this. I don't see us ever reaching 163 without seeing a big dump off it towards the downside. So therefore, again, it's not really a pair I'm looking to trade. I have been debating the idea of just setting a position at 163 and just letting it run all the way back down, stops above 164, maybe even 165, just to give you that breathing room. It would be a nice 1 to 4-ish to reward. Could be a nice position, but I'm not actually in this one yet. USDCAD on the daily time frame, we've got our break of structure in towards the downside, but now we've had a break of structure in towards the upside. So this is currently my swing low, and this is currently my swing high. We are very overextended, and I don't really want to be calling the top on it, and therefore I just want to see some natural price development, reaccumulate some liquidity before then making a decision on whether I want to long or short, depending on where this price is at the time. I think that this is a point of liquidity, this is a point of liquidity, but it's got to come down some distance before we can see those new longs play out. So USD CAD, I'd be waiting for further development on.